Orec came in here a couple years ago, showed us the product line in the summer, got a good look at everything that the sales rep had, well-built stuff, very simple, love the features of the tracks, love that they build a lot of the stuff in-house, they're not using supplier-made parts. Really saw an area where it could fit a lot of needs in our company. Then right away we had seen the Snow Rhino, which fit a huge need for our snow and ice area. More and more guys are needing sidewalk machines, they can't get shovelers.
When we do receive our Snow Rhinos, they seem to go out the door quite quickly. Guys grab them even pre-season to make sure that they have their name on one. And they know how it's producing, and we look forward to the next season with even more sales on the Snow Rhino. It's well priced, and it moves some snow.
Then the Snow Bowl 2, that came out, we saw that. That's a great machine. It takes the place of your conventional snow blowers. It'll move snow a lot better. There's not a lot of moving parts. Again, with the track system, it's really awesome because they can jump curbs. They don't have to worry about uneven surfaces. Real easy machine. Two guys can lift it in and out of the back of a pickup truck too, so you can move it from account to account to account. You don't have to have the designated machine there. You don't have to crack out a trailer to move it all around the place. A guy can throw it in the back of the pickup, snow plow with it, get somebody to help him unload it, do the sidewalks, and go on to the next account.
Orec has the Garden Quake, which is a rear tine tiller that'll really tear up and open up your garden and construction sites if necessary.
It's a nice rear tine, super heavy duty commercial tiller, one-handed operation. I mean, new ground, retilling old gardens. I mean, it's got powered with a Honda engine, so that's gonna be reliable. Everything about it's just stocky and heavy duty. Brush rover, two-wheel, four-wheel drive brush cutter. You can do 2-inch saplings. Thing's super agile. It's low profile. You can get in and around trees. It's pretty narrow width too. At 38 inches, you can get through a lot of tight areas where you can't get through with some bigger machines or a tractor that pulls another part behind it. I mean, it'll cut grass as tall as you can put it through. The Cyclone flail mower, it's got 38 flail blades inside of it. Cut 1 3/4-inch saplings. Go through, and it just mulches the stuff up right behind it as you go and you cut. It'll cut all kinds of tall grasses, everything else. Another great thing is it's got tracks just like a lot of their other products, so it'll darn near go around anything you want to, go up different stuff, around ponds. It's real stable on uneven ground. It can go right through it.
And for maintenance, the Trailblazer would be a good product to carry pavers up and down mounds.
You can put a bunch of stuffed brush going through the woods. You can go up and down the hills. You know, it's easier. One man, you can haul pavers from front to backyard. If you got a backyard with a slope, you got a backyard with stairs. Better than trying to haul wheelbarrows around, mess around. You can pull the sides off. You can carry bigger things of brush, logs, sticks, wood, whatever else you got to bring up. Thing will go just about over anything you put it at.
Our slogan is, do it with the best, and adding the Orec line helps continue that slogan.
Orec's just a great company to work with overall. They offer a ton of really cool products, everything that fits the lawn and garden, the snow and ice removal. Look forward to being an Orec distributor for a really long time.